David Montgomery. Got that from the NFL Experience. Whoa! Oh, I just bent that. Darn it. Vanilla Ice autograph. I got that. Autographs. Last year, Clippers versus Utah Jazz. And then this is the Beckett authentication. I went and sent it into Mill Creek from the autographs that I got. Ripping and tearing here with Robbie Wheat. 2023 Seahawks. We'll just show 5 of them. Okay, here we go. It's a team set. Donruss. DK Metcalf, Ole Miss. Devin Witherspoon, Seahawks. Team set. Zach Charbonnet, that's 3. McIntosh, that's 4. Number 5, Seahawks, ripping and tearing here. The reason why I wanted to rip and tear, how you doing? I couldn't help it here. Ripping and tearing here with Robbie Wheat. We're here at a payphone, which you never see anymore. I just couldn't help it. And there it is right there. Ripping and tearing downtown Tacoma. I just headed home about a week ago, and I just couldn't help myself. Right next to the Pierce County Courthouse, downtown library, right next to the Armory. We're ripping and tearing here with Robbie Wheat at an old phone in downtown Tacoma. I don't know how it's still there. Right on the corner of South 11th and Althamer right there. There it is right there. But we're ripping and tearing, and that was the autographs were the LA Clippers, the owner, some of the Clippers players. I got Steve Ballmer, billionaire. I got his autograph. I got Vanilla Ice's autograph. I sent it into Beckett. They authenticated it. And I just wanted to thank you today. Ripping and tearing at a payphone in years gone past. I don't know how many are in Tacoma. Thank you so much.